try part 3 of this with Creative Insights. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking these, I almost got a little bit ahead of myself here. I'm going to grab some of this parts here. Trying to get this free. Just throwing stuff around. Probably get 2 into there. So what I'm trying to do is just get these anchored in. There we go. I'm gonna try. I think I'm gonna do it like I did. Did that work last time? Or I think I did it like that. No. No. Let's see. Let's go in here. Oh, that's really odd. There we go. That could be a winner. And okay, I should have grabbed another screw. I thought I put one on the table, but I don't see it. There's some lighter colors here for one of the dumps. I shouldn't say dump, but it's yeah, I'll put it right there. It's kind of doing the same thing for me here. Not really what I was looking to do. Okay, that one could work. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and dip okay. What I'm trying to do is trying to get the colors to match what I'm seeing here. And I don't see a good match for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and just play around in here. See if I can soak up some of that. And maybe some of that. There we go. I like that one a little bit better. Got a little bit of dilemma because I didn't feed it right. I'm afraid I'm going to have to push into. Okay, I'm going to have to take some of it off just so I can get it in there. Okay, now I have to do that again. Okay, let's see. The reason why I'm just being real on top of this is because I really want it to match what I'm seeing here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab this one because I think I can match a little bit better by dipping in here. Not exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. So we can dip it in here. It's a little bit better. Okay, I got one more to go. Just looking at my options here. So what we got? This one's got 4 holes, so it's a little bit more of a guessing game here. So we got the purple. We got this little yellow section here. We got, I think, captured the blue. Gonna capture some orange on this next one here. Okay, so I find it's really important to just do that. And let's see if I can get some orange on here. No. That might do it. Okay, great. Not gonna fudge around to it too much. We're at 6 minutes here. All right, so, all right. I'm gonna just bring this in close just because we've done so much work on it. Look at that. Look at that. And I like that it's clearing out. The holes are opening up. Yeah, it just became a different piece. Even though it was the same levels, it just became a whole different piece, which I think is great. Sometimes it's really hard to get matching. Sometimes you can do it, but in this case here, these oranges and reds really kind of reign supreme on this one. Where this one, a lot of yellow going on here. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching, and that's the wrap up for this one for the light switches.